Good day, viewers. My name is Dr. Adegbie from Chumcred Academy. We are going to the part 2 of this our app building session. In the first video, if you remember, if you have not watched the first video, I recommend that you go and watch it so that you can understand what we are doing in part 2. We try to build a credit scoring model using Streamlit. In part 1, I showed us how we were able to write a code, Python code. With that Python code, we are able to see the result on our local host. That's my system, which means if you don't have access to my system, you cannot enjoy the app. But today, we want to take it a step further, where irrespective of where you are in the world, you can have access to this app. We're going to have a unique URL that if you have the access to the URL, you can log in and use the app. Now, there are two basic things we need to do here. If you don't have a GitHub account, you need to open a GitHub account, www.github.com. You open an account because we will need it. You also need to open a Streamlit account. Where you have these two accounts, www.streamlit.com. If you have any of this, you must have both for you to be able to achieve this. So let's move on. As a recap, I will show us the code that we built to achieve this. This is the Streamlit code. This is a Python code. It's a Streamlit Python code. Actually, we started by you import all the dependencies. That's the libraries. From there, we move on to data loading here. We trained the model and we also tested the model. We used logistic regression for the model, and we also test the accuracy using confusion matrix, and we get 99% accuracy. So just for us to understand, in our first video, you will see this model. So we will go immediately now. Like I said, don't forget, two things are very important here. You need to have your own GitHub account as well as Streamlit account. So the files, we want to push it from my local machine now to the GitHub. So we start by writing the code. We initiate it, GitHub init. We initiate it. It's telling us that it's an empty repo. Now we say git. We do this also. See, there are about 5 files there that has been moved. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files actually being copied. Then the next one is to write the next code. So you give the command and you press enter. So it has shown us that this has been done. From there, you will now want to create a new GitHub repo. You want to name it credit scoring. Like I said, because I have GitHub account, it's very easy. So we want to move it now. Then you have to create a branch. You have to first create a branch. Creating a branch mean you will see where it is open. So it's going to create it. So it has created it. Now we want to remotely move. It to GitHub now. That's my GitHub username. That's actually my GitHub username. Credit. Don't keep away. Streamlit. Press enter. So it has taken it. Then we want to push. So we're pushing it now to GitHub. Let's check what the problem is there. Oh, I know what has happened. We have to first of all go to GitHub and create the repo. Sorry about that. We're supposed to first of all create it. So this is how to do it. I come here. I go to my GitHub account. This is the GitHub account, new. Create a repo. What's the repo name? Credit dash. So I've created the repo. Just create. Now the repo has been created, scoring Streamlit. It has been created. Then we'll go back to our go back to what we're doing. You can see we have created it. That's why it's not taking it. Now, if I click it now, to accept it. So it has accepted it that it's already existing. So we want to push now. Yeah, as it has been accepted now, we have created it now. Yeah, so this is already done. So let's check it. We go back to our repo, our GitHub. You can see we want to check it now. What is there? What we pushed. So you can see everything we have pushed is already here now. You can see it. Everything is there under the credit scoring app. Everything has been pushed. So we already have it. So now we go to our Streamlit and go and create the app now. This is it. You have to have an account because I've already have so many apps. So you click create, you click deploy, you come here to check the one we just created. Remember we created the repo, the credit scoring. You look for credit scoring there. These are all I've done. That's why you're seeing many there. So we're looking for credit scoring. Credit scoring. So credit scoring Streamlit. You can see it. It's already given us its main. Then here it's an app.py. Remember, it's an app. So available. Now we're deploying it. It will become an app. It has URL now. This is how to create it. So it's creating it now. You can see the URL. So anybody that has this can definitely, it's coming up gradually. Let's wait for the deployment. Let's wait. It's coming up. Good. Here we go. So from this now, you can see that we have been able to create a URL for it. Anybody that has access to this can now, it has moved from our my local system, my laptop. It has become we have given it a URL, Streamlit app, where anybody that has access to this app can definitely take advantage of this. So you can see the step by step of how to create the app using Streamlit and GitHub and having a URL. So I want you to make your comment on what you have watched now. If you have any question, you can please put your comments and we will reach to you. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best. Expect more for you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.